Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. As you know, see, two of the comedian them kick off. Major Hype and Dale Elliott. So yeah, tell me, say, a man never give a joke. All them start take things serious, you know. Why if we people can't coexist? Why if we people can't work together? Why then can't collaborate? Why then can't look out for one another without problem? Here make me give Major Hype the wrong, you know. We feel say Major Hype will link Dale behind the scene. If him link him behind the scene and him not get some good response, then you come publicly convent. Remember, say what you hear, you know, are rumors, you know. I know facts that, you know, that are just rumors, you know. You don't know if I truth or not, you know. So you link deal and see what go on, you know. And as far as him not have you in the video on him page, you're not sure what go on. You just speculate. But not get me wrong, you know. Me see major hype side of the story, you know, because sometimes you not feel, you know, you're not job and a man want take your spot and him a give you be a bad vibes and attack behind your back. So not get me wrong. Me see where him a come from too. But some of the time, you say misunderstanding is a hell of a thing. Misunderstanding, some of the time it happen in a relationship. Some of the time it happen in a family friendship. Because sometimes things look away, you know. But in reality, I know that are gone, you know. So that's why some of the time you have to go to the root of the problem. And as I say, you link him on and things that sound right, then you vent. But don't get me wrong, we know some of the time bad mind in the thing. You know what I mean? Bad mind in the thing and I'm on the one take your spot. You know what I mean? We know if we people are get already. We have this thing where we don't want to look out for one another. We're known for that. And guess what? Although major hype talk about him in a negative way, guess what? A promotion him a give me, you know. Cause anybody don't know him I go and know him, you know. Cause guess what? Major hype are the biggest star. Me get think enough time on a big star than in a respond to certain people. I get think vibes gonna tell her massive gonna respond to certain people. Because what? Them are the biggest star. And them are gonna give a man a highlight. So the best way I can deal with them one more time and I say nothing. Because even if you talk about him in a negative way, you're gonna give him promotion. You understand? Major Power, King of Comedy for the Caribbean, you know this for what? Over what? 10 years? Bill Hill, I think this for just like whoever here and start the comedy. You know, usually they put on internet and all of that. But as far as stand up, he might do this for probably a year, you know. You understand? So it's best to deal with them thing the more time, you know. As ironic or funny as it may sound. It's best for just not say nothing. You know? That's the best way. Alright. Here what Major Papa say, you know. And give me your thoughts and your perspective.
On tour with anybody. Me can share a stage with any boy, any girl, any dog, any puss. Because me know when me go up there, the place. I've done it numerous times. I've shared stage. Big up Baba Tunde, my brother. That tour is coming soon, bro. We gotta sit down and talk about that tour. Comedian Baba Tunde alongside Major Hype Best of Both Worlds tour. It's gonna be crazy. We talking it into existence right now. And we actually spoke about it. So big up my brother. And I'm just gonna be direct right now. There is no deal, no white yardie, nobody where in this lane here where can intimidate me or make me feel inferior because I know my value and I know my worth and I know what I can do and I know what I have done. Not only what I can do, but I know what I've done. You understand me? So at the end of the day, there is none. No Christopher Daly, no Dufton Shepherd. There's none of them that can intimidate me. Not even Oliver. And Oliver the boss. No man that make me shaking on my boots when me I go up on stage. Because when me go up on stage, the stage is mine. Me no business. You understand me? So at the end of the day, me no throw shade to none of them. But it seems like shade is always being thrown my way. And with you. I don't care. You understand? Because me know me's original. Me see people like what is the youth your name? The youth where I do comedy. All of them. Me not even gonna call no one name. All of them. Me either give them some form of advice, or me give them a chance to go up on the stage with me, or me and them good or something, whatever. You understand? King Tavi, big up yourself. Is a youth where when him I go through him little stress and him headache and him problem, him call me. And me and him talk half the year one away. And me never come and talk in business. And me never come this and that. What day the man text me? Tavi, what day the youth text me, you know? I'm around here so I do some yard work, you know. And me miss him call, you know. And the man go send me a text. But member say Tavi a real youth and some send me. See, but me know say Tavi is a youth when not too righted, you know. So me just kind of brush it off. So me answer when me done and me say, brother, me dey busy, I do some things. Where you dealing? Yo, me not good, you know, that's when you call you and you know answer. Wait. Brother, I'm telling you something. There's a thin line between respect and disrespect. I mean, I play a certain game when it come on to disrespect. See? I mean, I run disrespect joke. I mean, I walk and get trouble. I mean, I walk and disrespect nobody. So, I mean, as a man, I mean, I walk and disrespect people. I mean, I walk and chat people. I mean, I walk and call people name neither. Because to me, in a real life, when me dey on tour, and when me I do me show them, and when me in a comedy clubs, or when me in a theater, and all of these things, I don't think about none of you. I don't think about none of you, because this is my moment. The people that is buying tickets and sit, they don't give, and which they don't have, they're not supposed to give the next man, and when me and this next man have, and what all of them think that. Them not supposed to have that in them brain. Them come to get a good show, get them belly full worth a laugh, and go in yard. See? So me, when me go, and leave my family, and leave me little youth, them and whosoever, if you go do a show, oh no, they no, they on my mind. So me don't know why me always dep on phone of mine. Me not understand it. Watch this now. You not gonna understand where me I come from now, because now me I gonna tell you what really I go on. See? I go Doral this past weekend, Miami Improv. Big up everybody at Miami Improv. Big up everybody who was there. Big up all of the fans them. Big up the people them who made the four shows a success from Friday to Saturday. It was successful. Everybody came out. We had a good time. See? All right. Remember, me as a man, me usually walk with my opening acts. Right? Sometimes I walk with Fredo. Sometimes I walk with Negos. Sometimes I walk with Miss B. Whosoever. Right? Whosoever, me give an opportunity to start the show or kick off the show, whatever. Me give them that. See? All right. Watch this now. Me never walk with no opening act this past weekend. So the club called me and them asked me, they said, do you have any opening acts? I said, no. Them say, all right, them have 3 people where them can put up there to open the show them or whatever. I say, all right, no problem, cool. Them, I think them did have a youth from Brazil, and them did have a Latino youth too. See? And then them did have a next youth, was a black youth, but a Asian youth, I think. Right? I forget his name. Right? All right. So the Haitian youth didn't work the Friday, right? He worked on the Saturday, right? We did 2 shows Friday and 2 shows Saturday, right? All right. The Saturday now, the show Saturday started at 7 o'clock. I said, all right, cool. You know, anytime I need you, I'll call you or whatever. Him say, yeah, because, you know, I do a lot of work with a lot of people. I even work with this guy. Him call the guy name. See? And I say, yeah, he work with this guy. Right? So I say, oh, yeah, me know him. Him say, yeah. That guy don't have nothing good to say about you, bro. I'm saying, say, yeah, man, that guy didn't have nothing good to say about you. From the time he just mentioned you and he just was just On your name, on your name, on your name. Mind you, you know. Me no look upon them out here, you know. One of the reasons why you see me always I do the video them by myself is because me not like people, you know. Because people wicked, you know. See? People wicked certain way, you know. So me as a man, me like stay to myself. That way, you can't call me name, you can't say. But even when you do that, them still are going to find a way to call your name. Them still are going to find a way to call your name. The man I talk about is Dale, you know. The man say him work with Dale already, you know. See? And everywhere me go, somebody always tell me say this man I call up my name. And I don't know why. I don't have no issue with this brother here. I never do no work with this brother here. I met him a couple times. You understand? In there Atlanta Comedy Theater. I go check Michael Black, so him did dead scene because him go there with Wes. You understand? Because Wes I make him introduced to Michael Blackson. See? The whole of we do a video, the man edit me out of the video and make it look like I just him and Michael Blackson alone there. Brother, I have no problem because I don't need to dip on your page. I have my own page. See? But what I don't understand is why every time I go somewhere, this man your name always a call and it's a Miramar Theater. See? But there are Miramar Theater, I do a show there, so the show is sold out, you know. See? The show sold out, you know. Right? One woman come up to me. The woman come up to me now and hear the woman. Yeah, you good with Dale? So I said, I don't have no issue with him. Why? Because him did do a show you saw and me did tell him, somebody did say you did outside and give away flyers and him I say, him no want you come in, come give no flyers out a film show. First of all, I don't live in Florida, so there's no way in the world that I could be outside of Miramar Theater giving out flyers. Second of all, I'm not going to say me too big to give out flyers because I do my own promotional work when it's necessary. You understand? But at the end of the day, I'm not going to go outside of them man them show to go give out no flyers. See? Then this past weekend now, the man I got tell me, say, this man don't have nothing good to say about you. Brother, if you have an issue with me, you can talk to me, you know, bro. You can talk to me. Instead of you talk to everybody else, because you see them thing there, boy thing, them thing there. If me have an issue with a youth, it's either me going to tell him and lock him off, or we are going to tell him, or me going to tell him and resolve the issue. Me's not one of them man that we have to walk around and talk about a man and talk about this and talk about that. Because at the end of the day, you don't make this, you don't make comedy your own, and me not make comedy for me one. Everybody have them fan base, everybody have them little specialty or them little thing or nicks and trades or whatever them have where them bring collectively to this genre of comedy. See? When me do, no other boy no do. Trabas do him little comedy thing. He's good at the crying business. That is his thing. White Hardy, him do him little voice over thing or whatever him do. That a film thing. Me do parents and all of them something that you come do parents too. My mother this and come out of the fridge. Yeah. No for no copy me thing. And me just kick back and me not say nothing about it. Me just allow it alone. Because at the end of the day, me not fight down nobody. Me not fight down nobody. But why every time I go somewhere, me have to hear say you are call me name or you not have nothing good to say about me or this or that. Alright, me and Wes was brethren. Zin? Wes called me and tell me, said, this man don't like you for some reason and I don't know why. Why him not like me? The man say him come for your spot and this and that. My spot? Brother, you could have never take my spot. You could have never in a million years take my spot. No care what you think. No care how you look on it, what you think, because you is an imitation Majah hype. You are a reflection of me. So you can never take when me start, boy. And me start this, boy. See? Me never follow back on a man and start do what a man a do. You understand? Me create something. Me create a lane for myself. I want to jump in and my blood lane. So all you now go see is brake lights. You now go see, you now go get to see the headlight. Brake lights alone you now go see. All if you no go up 2 million more followers than me, you no can't take where the work where me do. You no can't take where the work where me do. You no can't rub me out of history. Because you no come here come see me. You no come here come see me. So when you go around all about the place and you call up my name, try no say me not call back for your name, you know. Because even when the man tell me that, you know, even when the man said that to me, I could have go back and say, who them boy if you go lick out them mother, you know, or who them boy they eat that. Me not do that. Me not do that because guess what? If you hate hatred met with hatred serves no purpose. Hatred met with hatred serves no purpose. So at the end of the day, this a brother here where live in Miami and a Haitian youth live in Miami. And him a do him like a comedy thing. Him tell me something bad where you say about me. Now me back, right? Then it look like me and your size. It a go look like me and your size and me and size. See? So since him talk and say whatever him say, you know what me say in return? Nah, man, a good youth, man. Big up the youth, there, man. Him a do him thing. And that me tell the youth, you know. And that me tell him, you know. And anybody who can oppose to what me say, them can join the life. You understand? In return, the man said to me, say, that man don't got nothing good to say about you, bro. That man be saying a lot of shit about you, bro. And it's the first time I met you, and I'm like, damn, you mad humble, you mad cool. Why the all that shit about you? I'ma say, nah, man. That youth there, him a go on, man. Him a do him thing, man. Big up that youth there, you know? You understand? But yeah, me now go drop to your level and call back your name and say negative thing, boy. Because me and you are a size. You come here, come see me, I do this. Every me cover, remember I say me cover every grounds, you know. When it come to this, you know. West Indian parents be like, Jamaican parents be like, Jamaican mothers be like, Trinidadian fathers be like, Guyanese aunties be like. Remember I cover every ground, you know. So anything you do, yeah, follow me. Anything me do, yeah, follow me. Remember say, not cover the more than me than this. I just the son alone. I just the son alone beat me when it comes to covering the Caribbean diaspora. So any boy where come up right now, yeah, you might do it differently, you might film it differently, whatever, but me cover all grounds. Me cover all grounds. And no for uno cannot switch on the accent. You understand? No for uno cannot switch it. No care how no want sound like American, no care sound like American. No care how no want sound like Trinidadian, no care sound like Trinidadian. No care how no want sound like Guyanese, no care sound like Guyanese. So at the end of the day, I hear through my God-given talent. You understand? My God-given talent. You know how much people come to me and say, dog, how you do the whole of them accent this so? And I don't know, brother. I don't know. I just know say God gift me with that talent here. And me I gotta just utilize it, bro. That's all me know. So if you have a God-given talent, go and embrace that. And don't worry about major hype. What you worry about major hype for? What you worry about major hype about?
Remember, give me your views, your perspective, and as usual, thanks for watching. Be safe out there. On your way out, give me a small like and a small subscribe. I'm out.